No matter where a man lives in the world, if he develops these 5 traits, women often find it extremely difficult to lose attraction for him. And these traits have proven their power for thousands of years. Attraction between men and women is often misunderstood. Many people think it is about perfect looks, clever lines, or complicated strategies. But in reality, attraction is usually much simpler. It grows around certain qualities of character, qualities that reveal confidence, stability, and strength. A man does not become attractive by trying to impress everyone around him. True attraction appears when a man develops traits that make his presence calm, grounded, and enjoyable. When a man cultivates strong inner qualities, people naturally feel drawn to him. Women, like anyone else, are drawn toward men who feel emotionally stable, confident, and authentic. There are certain types of men whose presence quietly creates this effect. Men who do not chase approval. Men who move through life with a clear sense of themselves. Today we will explore 5 types of men who often find success with women, not because they force attraction, but because their character naturally invites it. 5. The playful man, the one who brings humor. Life can be heavy. Responsibilities, pressures, and expectations often fill people's minds with tension. Because of this, one of the most attractive traits a man can carry is the ability to bring lightness into a moment. The playful man understands humor. He does not take himself too seriously. He can laugh easily, tease gently, and create moments of joy in ordinary situations. This type of man often makes others feel relaxed around him. Humor is powerful because it breaks emotional barriers. When people laugh together, they feel more connected. A playful man creates an environment where conversations flow naturally, where tension disappears, where time feels enjoyable. However, there is an important balance. True humor does not come from desperation for attention. It does not rely on constant jokes or exaggerated behavior. The playful man is relaxed. His humor appears naturally in conversation, sometimes through a clever comment, sometimes through a simple observation. The Stoics believe that a wise person should maintain inner calm while still enjoying life. Humor reflects this balance. It shows that a man can face life seriously when needed, but also knows how to smile when the moment allows it. A woman often feels comfortable around a man who brings this kind of light energy into her day. And comfort is one of the quiet foundations of attraction. 4. The protector, the man who makes her feel safe. Throughout human history, safety has always been a powerful element of attraction. A woman naturally feels drawn toward a man who gives the impression that he can protect, support, and handle difficult situations. Protection does not always mean physical strength. Although strength can play a role, protection often comes from something deeper: emotional stability. A protector is a man who remains calm when situations become stressful. He does not panic easily. He does not react with uncontrolled anger. He does not collapse under pressure. Instead, he faces problems directly and calmly. When a woman feels that a man can handle life's challenges without losing control, she begins to trust his presence. Trust creates emotional safety. A Stoic man understands that life will always bring obstacles, but he trains himself to meet those obstacles with patience and discipline. He becomes the kind of person others can rely on. The protector does not seek conflict. He does not try to prove his strength constantly. In fact, truly strong men rarely need to demonstrate their strength loudly. Their calm presence alone communicates confidence. And when a woman feels safe with a man, it becomes difficult for her to imagine life without that stability. 3. the authentic man, the one who does not pretend. Many people spend their lives trying to become someone they believe others will admire. They adjust their personality. They hide their opinions. They imitate others in the hope of gaining approval. But authenticity carries a unique power. The authentic man does not pretend to be someone else. He speaks honestly. He expresses his real thoughts. He does not shape his personality to match every situation. This does not mean he is rude or careless. Authenticity still includes respect and kindness. But his behavior is not driven by fear of judgment. A Stoic perspective encourages exactly this kind of self-acceptance. The Stoics believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should live according to the principles of virtue, reason, and the pursuit of happiness. They believed that a person should, to their true nature, rather than constantly chasing external approval. When a man becomes comfortable with who he is, something interesting happens. People begin to trust him more easily. Why? Because authenticity feels stable. When someone is always pretending, their behavior changes constantly. It becomes difficult to understand who they truly are. But an authentic person remains consistent, and consistency builds trust. For many women, authenticity is deeply attractive because it creates a sense of emotional clarity. They know the man in front of them is real, not an act, not a performance, just himself. And that quiet honesty often leaves a lasting impression. the well-groomed man, the one who takes care of himself. Physical appearance is not everything in attraction, but it still plays a role. Not in the sense of natural beauty, but in the sense of care. A man who maintains good hygiene, dresses cleanly, and carries a pleasant scent communicates something important: self-respect. When a man takes care of his body and his appearance, he signals discipline and awareness. He shows that he values himself enough to maintain order in his life. Clean clothing, neat grooming, and a subtle but pleasant scent can leave a powerful impression. These small details may seem simple, but they influence how people experience someone's presence. A Stoic mindset emphasizes discipline in daily habits. Small actions repeated consistently shape a person's character. Keeping yourself clean and well presented is one of those habits. It shows that you take responsibility for the way you move through the world. And often, these quiet signals of discipline become surprisingly attractive. A woman may not consciously analyze these details, but she will notice the difference. A man who takes care of himself feels more confident, and confidence naturally influences how others respond to him. 1. The dominant leader. The man with direction. At the top of this list stands the number one spot, one of the most powerful traits of all: leadership. A dominant leader is not aggressive or controlling. True leadership is far more balanced than that. Leadership simply means direction. A leader knows where he is going in life. He has goals. He has purpose. He makes decisions without constant hesitation. When challenges appear, he faces them rather than avoiding them. This sense of direction creates a powerful form of attraction. People naturally feel drawn toward those who appear to know where they are heading. A woman often feels more comfortable with a man who can guide situations with calm confidence. He chooses the plan for the evening. He makes decisions when needed. He handles uncertainty without panic. This does not mean he ignores her opinions. Good leaders listen carefully. They consider the perspectives of others. But when it is time to act, they act with confidence. The Stoic philosophers admired this quality of leadership. They believed that a person should live with clear purpose, guided by reason and discipline. A man who lives this way becomes naturally magnetic, not because he demands attention, but because his life already moves with direction. And people are drawn toward direction, especially in a world where many feel lost. Attraction is rarely about tricks or strategies. It is about character. The playful man brings joy and lightness. The protector offers stability and safety. The authentic man provides honesty and trust. The well-groomed man demonstrates discipline and self-respect. The dominant leader shows direction and purpose. Each of these traits reflects something deeper than surface charm. They reflect a man who has taken the time to develop himself. The Stoic path teaches that the greatest victory in life is mastery over yourself. When a man becomes disciplined, confident, calm, and authentic, attraction often follows naturally. Not because he is chasing it, but because his presence quietly reflects strength of character. And strength of character never goes unnoticed. If you enjoy thoughtful insights about relationships, psychology, and personal growth, consider subscribing to the channel and continue the journey of becoming a calmer, stronger, and wiser version of yourself.